Before we jump into this video, I have some updates on some free sneaker giveaways. So the Infrared 4 giveaway winner will be in my next YouTube video, so make sure you guys watch that. And make sure you guys enter the free Military Black 4 giveaway that starts right now. All you guys need to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your size in the Military Black Air Jordan 4. The Military Black Jordan 4 giveaway ends at the end of this month, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Military Black Air Jordan 4s. Good luck. Be sure to watch my next YouTube video for the Infrared 4 giveaway winner, and make sure you guys smash that subscribe button. Join the Moore family. We're on the road to 60,000 subscribers, and when we hit 60,000, I have a big giveaway planned, so make sure you guys smash that subscribe button for free sneaker giveaways. Thank you Sole Premise for sponsoring today's video. Sole Premise has the best sneaker bags in the game. This right here is Sole Premise's duffel bag. They make this bag in a ton of colors, and this bag right here is fire because it's your normal duffel bag with a ton of space, mind you. You could fit like 6 pairs of sneakers just in the top portion alone, and then you have some more space as well. Or you can just put your clothes, you know, your normal everyday things in the duffel bag. And check this out, my favorite part, there's side compartments. And on these side compartments is where you can store your sneakers. Check that out. I have my Yeezys on one side, Yeezy 350s, and then on the other side, another pair as well. I have some Yeezy 700s. As you guys can see, Sole Premise bags are very high quality. They have tons and tons of different colors. Also, they have backpacks, duffel bags, luggage bags, all TSA approved, and these bags are very affordable. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description, check out solepremise.com, and use my code Danny Moore at checkout. The code Danny Moore, my name, Danny Moore, will give you 40% off your entire order from solepremise.com. They have the best sneaker bags in the game. I absolutely love this duffel bag, and I really love the daily bag as well because there's actual compartments within the bag to actually store your sneakers. It's very, very cool. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise, link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise. Now let's get it back into this straight fire video. I have to start this video off with an apology. I am wrong, and I am sorry about these Air Jordan 1s. I was wrong about the market. I thought this Air Jordan 1 would skyrocket in price, and they have not. In fact, they've tanked in price. I've told you guys to buy this Air Jordan 1 at around $280 to $300. They were selling at one point for over $400 in the bigger sizes, and market completely dropped. It failed. It tanked miserably, to be honest with you. They're going from anywhere, the smaller sizes are like $200, the bigger sizes are like $250, $260. This Air Jordan 1 completely flopped. I did not see this coming, and I am sorry. I'm wrong about these Air Jordan 1s. Completely wrong. These videos that you guys watch are my opinion, based on my experiences. I've been into the sneaker game since 2010. I've seen a lot of things happen in the past 12 years being in the sneaker game. And to be honest, this Air Jordan 1 shocked the hell out of me. When these were going now for $200, $250 in the bigger sizes, I'm shocked. I'm honestly shocked. With the hype of this colorway, the hype of this silhouette, of course 2020, 2021 being banger years for sneakers, and now we see the market drop or settle, some would say, back to where it was before you know what happened in the world. I'm just shocked. I'm shocked at seeing these prices, and I need to make this video as an update for you guys to tell you guys, hey, I'm wrong. Sometimes I'm wrong, sometimes I'm right. I do think I'm more right than wrong, which I think is important. However, I'm not always gonna be right. I'm not a sneaker guru. I can't tell the future. You know what I'm saying? It's just my opinion. It's just what I believe is gonna happen to the shoe. And I invested some money into these. Not a lot at all. I would say like altogether probably less than $2,000. So it's not too much at all. But I'm down money with you guys. As of now. I will be holding on to pairs because I do still believe in the shoe. Maybe not this year. Maybe next year, the year after. Who really knows? I can't really tell the future. but I do still believe in this Jordan 1. I did expect this sneaker to shoot back up to $350, $400 this year, and it doesn't look like that's gonna happen at all. In fact, they've tanked, like I said, to $250. So I've been wrong. I've been wrong before, but this one stung. Because some of the videos that I've done have done very well, both on Instagram here as well as YouTube. So yeah, I'm just wrong. I've been wrong before. I'm sure I'll be wrong in the future. It's a part of the game. But yeah, please guys, forgive me for being wrong about these Air Jordan 1s. This is not a good call on my behalf. I do think other people, other influencers also predicted that these would go up, and they haven't. You know what I mean? It's a part of it. It's a part of being into sneakers. It's a part of being into YouTube, an influencer, whatever you want to call us. And yeah, man, it's just a part of the game. I'm very disappointed in these, that they've dropped so much. I do like the shoe. I think it's fire. I am keeping it personal. But I am down some money, and I think some of you guys might be down some money as well. And I just wanted to say, hey, I'm sorry. I was not expecting this. I don't know if anyone was truly expecting these to really drop like crazy. It's kind of shocking to me. Let me know your thoughts down below. Is this shocking to you? Let's open these up. You guys can tell what Jordan 1 it is by the box. If you don't know, well, now you will know. It is the Air Jordan 1 patent bred. I did make a call a few months ago, I believe like the beginning of the year, to buy them for around $300. I was expecting them to shoot back up to $350, $400 and be profitable if you buy, you know, a bunch of pairs, or just if you just wanted the sneaker for your personal, you know, I thought $300 was a good price. Yeah, no, man, they've tanked, and they've tanked hard. I'm just shocked. Why am I so shocked? Not because it's a patent leather. I think that's what hurt it, as well as a bunch of restocks. Of course, the whole entire market has really dropped. However, it's the bred colorway, and that's what's really shocking me. It is the bred Air Jordan 1, right? It's not like a wannabe bred. It's not like a almost there, they almost gave it to us. No, this is the bred 1, just with some shiny patent leather to it. And they have some extra details as well. We got the family on the inside. You know, there's cool little details to the shoe. Come with some extra red laces. It's the bred 1 at the end of the day, and it shocked me. So much, shocked the hell out of me to see these prices. And I just need to let you guys know that, hey, I'm sorry about this shoe. I'm wrong. Completely wrong. Man, it shocked me to see these drop. My plan is to hold on to them still and hope one day it could be 2, 3, 4 years from now, who knows. But I do still eventually see them going up. This year doesn't look like it. It looks like they just have tanked. The market has absolutely crashed hard on this sneaker, which shocked me. It really did. It's shocking to me. It is what it is. I just need to let you guys know that, hey, I'm wrong. Danny Moore's not always going to be right on his calls. A lot of people are going to make mistakes. I made a mistake on these. Man, it's tough. It's tough, man, seeing the prices that these are at. Let me know if you guys like the patent bred Air Jordan 1. Are these a must cop? Let me know your thoughts. Why do you think the market dropped so hard, crashed so much on this sneaker? Yes, the entire market is down, but why this sneaker in particular? Why the patent breds? Leave your thoughts down below. It's crazy to me, shocking, and I'm truly sorry on this one, man. I really am. Now, if you guys do have pairs, because I know some people are going to ask, Danny, I have pairs, they dropped, I still want to sell them even now and make profit some way, somehow, even though I bought them at, say, $300 and they're going for $220 now. What do I do? I would say probably go to a consignment store, see if you can drop them off at a consignment store. Consignment stores are still selling sneakers for over market. So I definitely think consign them is probably the way to go right now. If you don't have, you know, the clientele, a big clientele or anything like that, consignment might be the way to let these go if you're looking to let them go and recoup that money or even profit a little bit. So I think that's what you guys can do. I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna wait it out and hope for the best on this sneaker. Let me know your thoughts down below. Please, guys, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I will be right more often. I promise I've been a lot more selective on what I've been making videos on because the whole entire market has changed. I'm sure I will be right again. I'm sure, unfortunately, I'll be wrong again. It's a part of the sneaker game. I do appreciate you guys so much for watching my videos. You guys have completely changed my life, and I love you guys and appreciate you guys so much for that, more than you'll ever know. Thank you guys so much for watching another video here on the channel. Let me know your thoughts on what happened with this sneaker. Make sure you guys enter in the new military black Air Jordan 4 giveaway. Like this video, subscribe, comment your size down below. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.